guys, it's Calista here, and one of my dogs, and her name is Zoe. This is Zoe, and yes, she has a pig in her mouth. Zoe, drop it. Sorry, she needs to take a little break because, yeah. But guys, I haven't filmed for you in so long, and guys, look at my hair. So my hair used to be down to my butt, and I cut it, like I trimmed it a little bit, and then now I went this far. So it's very short now, as you guys can tell. And, okay, sit. So I dyed my hair. It's hard to tell on camera right now because it's, like, easier to tell in, like, the sun and stuff because it's faded away a bit now, so... Because I've had this in my hair for like 3 weeks. Yeah, like 3 weeks now. And yeah, so I haven't got to film in like 3 weeks. So yeah. But yeah, so in this video I'm going to be doing the 200 $200 squishy challenge, because the other day it was Easter and I got a lot of squishies for that, but I went shopping to get like squishies. Okay, all these squishies in this video, okay, Zoe, sit down. All the squishies in this video that I'm showing you for the challenge is all the squishies that I got for Easter. So there's 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. There's 23 squishies here. And I got those all for like $200 in total. Maybe like $212. I don't know exactly because a few of the squishies I got from like my parents, and I don't know how much that was, but the other ones I actually went shopping to like go get them. But yeah, okay, Zoe, please stay still. Here, lay down. Okay, now she's laying down, but sorry about this big sun. Yeah, I don't know. So let's get started because this video is getting so long. And yeah, so the first squishy that I got is this like star fruit squishy. And it's like metallic, and it's super surprising, and I love it. Guys, I'm also going to have to post another video that is going to be squishy haul, because I've gotten so many new squishies that you guys don't even know about. But then I got this, which is a Cake Pop Cutie. Then I got this one. Then I got these two. I got this one and this one. Then I got this Soft and Slow squishy, like it's from like Blind Box. Then I got a Soft and Slow like costume cutie, which I don't have the costume here with me right now because it's in my living room, but this is the squishy. Then I got this unicorn squishy. Zoe, stop. Sit. Oh, she's being very, I don't know. Then I got this Hello Kitty French fries thing. Then I got the Hello Kitty pizza one, which I was gonna get the burger, but they didn't have it when I went. Well, they had it the first time, but then I didn't get it, so I only got the French fries. Then I went the second time, and they only had the pizza and the French fries, and I didn't want to get the French fries again. So yeah, there's like a fourth one, but I don't even know what it is, and they didn't have it either times I went, so yeah. Then I got this Soft and Slow, like, strawberry pie squishy. Then I got this, like, cake. It's super surprising. A lot of the ones I got are super surprising. Then I got this huge, ginormous rainbow narwhal. Then I got this huge, like, pineapple bread squishy. That's what it's called. Okay, Zoe, honestly, stop. Then I got this loaf of bread with like a bunch of different slots. I know it's like a fake roti toast, but I like the fake one better than the real one. Then I got this like Kiratori cake roll thing that is like one of my softest squishies and like one of my most rising squishies. Then I got this mermaid squishy, and it has like ombre hair and then mermaid tail that's like metallic, and then yeah, and it's super soft as well. Then I have some ones that I didn't take the packaging off of yet, so I'm going to do that now. And the packaging for these ones I don't care about because they're just from a store called Showcase, and I don't really care about packaging. Then this yellow watermelon. Then this one. Ow! I have to take out. Where's the other one? Oh, it's over there. Hurry this up. This capybara sun like ice cream sandwich. Super surprising. Then, oh my god. Okay guys, sorry about that. Zoe, you can play with it after this video. Sorry, because I have to watch her play with it so that she doesn't chew it apart. That's why I'm telling her that she can't play with it right now. Then I got this one. It's this like chipmunk. I can't even say it, but yeah, and it's like the wristband squishy, but I don't even know. I'm not gonna use it for that, obviously, but yeah, there's a little bit of extra stuff there. Then there's 3 more squishies, so I got this one for the squishy packaging. It's this emoji ball, so it's out of the packaging now, and it's like not gonna rise. I think this is my new most rising squishy, so it's this emoji ball. So yeah, it's not gonna rise, so yeah, it doesn't smell like anything. Then I have this one. Okay, Zoe, please stop. Gotta hurry this up. Got this one, which is this like banana cool. I don't even know what it is. So it's this like banana ice cream cone thing, and it's like has a cool face. I don't even know. I'm going to test all the new squishies that I got that are like pretty slow rising, or that I think are more slow rising than my most slow rising squishy, because I did do a squishy battle to find out my most slow rising squishy. Then the last one that I got for the $200 or a little bit over challenge, or squishy challenge I mean. Then after I got this apple. I thought it was going to be more surprising, but surprisingly it's actually not. So yeah, so there's the little stem. And it's not scented. But yeah. So, holy. Oh, sorry Zoe, I accidentally grabbed her pig in this. These, oh, I forgot some. They're so... are like, oh my gosh, all the squishies that I just recently got for my challenge. Actually, there's more squishies that I recently got, but I have to show you that in a different video because I didn't get them for this challenge or for Easter. I don't even know, but yeah, so my next video will probably be a squishy haul from like the past month, because I haven't even showed you yet. So yeah, so that's it for this video. So please like and comment down below if you've seen any squishies in this video that you have. So yeah, bye, love you guys, and don't forget to subscribe and like and comment down below. Bye.